Hello, hello, welcome. Jacqueline here again, and for today's video, pag-uusapan natin ang online voting ng mga overseas worker natin abroad. So, it started the pre-enrollment last March 20, at alam nyo ba na online na nga. So, mag-i-start ang online voting nila, 30-day overseas voting period is from April 13 up until 12th of May 2025. So, up until 7 p.m. Philippine Standard Time. So, issue to ngayon, no, kasi malapit na nga ang botohan. So, I just wanna share my thoughts about this online voting, no. So, ang dami natin napapakinggan o napapanood na news about yung validity or yung validity ng voting nila, kung magiging valid ba or totoo ba yung magiging outcome, no? So, let's just see. At least kasi naman, ang para sa akin, kasi nga, lahat naman na online, di ba? We all know that everything now is being done through online. We have our own websites to do it, like booking our flights. Everything is online na. Pinapadali na ng online. But, again, the validity siguro, pray na lang tayo na maging okay lahat, no? So, wag na lang muna tayo maging negative. Like yung example, yung isang bumoto, no? Nag-react siya agad at sabi niya bakit may lumabas while checking the status of his vote. Nagtaka siya bakit iba yung mga pangalan na lumabas. Yung pala, ang sabi ng COMELEC is, yun yung sample ballot na nakikita sa website. So, wag naman tayo mag-judge agad. Let's pray na maging peaceful pa rin yung process na ginagawa. Kasi lahat naman ng proseso ay ginagawa nila ang best nila, especially the COMELEC, to at least provide easier process for us, lalo na po yung mga gustong bumoto na nagtatrabaho abroad, right? So, thank you for watching my video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.